Hello everyone, welcome to this session of Engineering Graphics and Design. Myself Vimal Salot from LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today in this session we are continuing with projection of plane, but the case which is discussed is the plane resting in VP or it may be parallel to VP. So let's see the general procedure how the projection can be drawn. So first of all, we will assume that the given plane is in VP or it is parallel to VP. When any plane is parallel to VP or it is in VP, its true shape is seen in front view. So we have to start from the front view. As compared to HP resting plane, what is the difference? In case of HP resting plane, the true shape of the plane is seen in top view. So we started with the top view, but here the case is VP resting. So true shape of the plane is seen in front view. So we have to start the drawing from the front view. That is the first important point that you should notice here. Now, when you complete the true shape of the front view, you have to project the top view from the front view. Second stage condition is surface inclination angle with VP, and we know that it is denoted by phi. So actually first stage top view is the length which is not going to be changed. So we are actually redrawing second stage top view in our next stage with the surface inclination angle given angle phi. So that would be our redraw stage. Now from second stage top view, we have to project second stage front view by taking projections from each and every point of top view and previously drawn front view. We will mark each and every intersecting point with respective notations. That would be our second stage front view. And for final stage, generally the applied condition is inclination angle with HP. So that would be our final stage front view, and from that we will project final stage top view. So it would be a general procedure how the projection can be drawn when any surface or any plane is resting in VP and inclined to both HP and VP. Now let's see this procedure with an example. So here the given data is an isosceles triangular plate of base AB 40 mm and altitude 55 mm is resting in VP. So first point is very clear. The given plane is resting in VP. So when we see this condition, one point should be very clear is that we have to start from the true shape which is seen in front view. So we will start from the front view. Now the surface is inclined to VP at an angle 50 degree. Draw its projection when its side BC is parallel to HP. So inclination angle of the surface with VP angle phi is 50 degree, and the given condition for HP is one side BC is parallel to HP. So now let's start to draw the projection. First of all, draw reference line XY. Start from the front view, that is true shape of the isosceles triangular plate. Now it is resting on its base AB. So that base line AB should remain perpendicular to XY line. So it is a true shape of isosceles triangular plate and it is baseline AB 40 mm. Altitude is from this midpoint of base up to this apex point. This length is known as the altitude. So that length we have to take as 55 mm and mark all these points with notations A dash, B dash, C dash. Always front view is marked with small letter with dash and top view is marked with small letters without dash. Now from this stage, from true shape of isosceles triangular plate, we have to project its top view. So take projection lines from all these points. Here A dash and B dash, these are the points on the same projector. So it is a common projector for A and B, and from this apex point also draw the projection line. That would be our C point. So join these A, B and C, that is straight line. It is our first stage top view. When this surface is resting in VP, top view will look like this straight line. Now we have to apply second stage condition, that is surface inclination is inclined at an angle of 50 degree with VP. When the surface is inclined with VP at 50 degree angle, top view will look like straight line, but it will be with inclination angle 50 degree. So this dimension does not change. It remains similar, but it will be inclined with VP. So actually we have to redraw this top view in second stage, but with given inclination angle. So now mark one reference point AB on this XY line because it is resting in VP on its base AB. So A and B, both the points have to be remained on XY line. So here it is point, reference point AB. From this point we have to redraw this first stage top view over here, but with inclination angle 50 degree. So dimension does not change. Redraw means dimensions remain similar, but we have to apply the condition for inclination angle, and here it is inclined at 50 degree. So we have redrawn this top view over here with 50 degree inclined. Now from each and every point of this top view, draw the projection line, and also draw the projection line from first stage front view from B dash, A dash and C dash. So first draw projection line from this A and B point, then from C point, then from B dash, A dash and C dash. We have to mark all these respective points with notations. So here you can see it is a projector line for A and B point, and it is projection line from B dash. So this intersecting point is B dash. Here it is projector from A dash and it is projector from A. So this intersecting point is A dash, and it is projector from C dash and it is projector from C. So this intersecting point is C dash. Mark all these points A dash, B dash, C dash and join all these points. So it is second stage front view. Now for final stage condition, given condition is draw its projection when its side BC, it means this side BC is parallel to HP. How it becomes parallel to HP? Here in 2D diagram, when you make this B dash C dash side parallel to XY line, actually it will be parallel to HP. It will be parallel to horizontal plane. So we have to redraw this second stage front view over here, but this side BC should remain parallel to XY line. So redraw here this triangle over here with the same dimension. So it is side B dash C dash. You can see here it is parallel to XY line. It is parallel to HP. A dash, B dash, C dash is this triangle we have redrawn here. Mind well, dimension does not change, only we are redrawing this second stage front view over here. Now from each and every point of this second stage front view, draw the projection from B dash, A dash and C dash, and from A and B draw the projection line, then from C also draw the projection line. All these intersecting points marked with respective notation A, B and C. Join all these points as shown here. So it is final stage top view and it is final stage front view. So actual solution is this final stage where all the given conditions are satisfied, and it is our final solution. Thank you very much for watching.